Guys, gagawa tayo ng cassava cake. Oh. Ito na yung sangkap ko. Ito yung gata, up, condense, kal, itlog. Butter, guys, ilalagay ko na ito sa oven. Ayan guys, ilalang na natin. Guys, 15 minutes na lang to guys. Ilalagyan ko pa ng toppings. Ito na yung finished product kong cassava cake. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, guys.